Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin with opening settings. In them, choose connected devices and click on connection preferences. Following that, you need to choose printing and tap on default print service right away. Then click on this switcher next to use print service and wait, or tap on the back button and tap on add service instead. Then install the best one for you and click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of your services and disable the other one. So for example, if I want to use my default one, I need to click on HP print service, disable it, go back and tap on default print service then. Now tap on this switcher to activate it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my device was successfully connected to my printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!